In this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate Facebook page. Let's get started. Firstly, start by opening your Facebook app. If you have previously deactivated your Facebook page, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner. Then, on the upper right, tap the gear icon. This gets you to your settings and privacy. Now scroll down to Audience and Visibility section. Find Pages option and tap on it. Here you can see that you can reactivate your deactivated pages. So tap on View button. As you can see, I have deactivated my dog's everyday Facebook page. To reactivate the page, tap on Reactivate button. Now you are redirected back to Facebook timeline. To check whether the page was reactivated, tap on Page Picture on the upper left corner. And there you have it. The page was reactivated. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.